This video I'm going to do the night routine. Now it's 6 p.m. I just got home from work. I went to work outside at the coffee shop and now I'm at home. I was playing phone for a bit, but I know I need to stop doing it and start to clean and fold my clothes and organize my room for a bit. Okay, now I need to start doing something in my room. I need to clean some trash first. It's super messy. You know, I need to clean it soon because it's make me less productive. And look at my clothes, I still need to fold it because I did the wheel last time, and this is how I put my clothes on, so I need to clean it and organize it soon. Okay, after I cleaned that, it looks so much better than before. It just looked messy before. Finally, I got the time to clean it and also clean the dust out of the table. It looks so much better than before. It looked cleaner, and now I'm going to take the trash out and sweep the floor. It's so much dust on my floor that I got it from beach volleyball that I like to go play every evening before. And now it's time for folding my clothes. It's so many on the bed. I have to organize it and make it nice. As you can see, sorry for my messy room. I know my room is so small because I live with my boyfriend, and sometimes my boyfriend like to make a mess almost every day. So after that, I have to clean it out. I have so many clothes and I don't really have enough storage to put in it. So I have my suitcase here and also the basket to put my clothes in it. I know it sucks to have it like this, but I'm looking for more storage to put my clothes in, so my room have more space in this room. Now I'm going to organize it and fold it so it look cleaner and look better. Mini skirt, like 100 skirt that I bought from online and also second-hand store or thrift. I like to thrift so much, and I almost don't have space for my skirt anymore, but I also want to buy more skirt in the future. I'm gonna have like 100 skirt as I can. Now I have tower of my skirt. We'll see how high it can be. Now I'm finally finished folding my clothes. It's so much to fold. Now I feel a bit tired. So I think I would like to decor my room for a bit. So like put something on the wall. I wanted to do it for a long time ago, but I got no time, so maybe I can put something on my wall for a bit. And here the clothes I fold and I put over here. It look better than before. love it so much. Okay, and now it's time for me to clean my makeup and take a shower. Okay, now I'm going to clean my face and I got some clip. So I use this to clean my face, Yenen's cotton pad. And I use this brand to clean my face, the water cleanser. And I will wash my hand with soap, so now I'm going to wipe it on my face like this because today I put sunscreen and sun cream. Look at this, it's brown from my foundation that I put on my face. I know my face is full of dust and dirty, so that's why we really need to clean our face with cleansing. Even we don't use any makeup, I still use this almost every day. Every day. My eyebrow is gone. And now my eyeliner is gone. And also clean it with the neck. Even you don't put any makeup on your neck, you still have to wipe cotton pad on your neck. I use a few cotton pads to clean my face just to make sure that your face is clean, no foundation and no dust. Never sleep with the makeup on it. I used to sleep in the makeup long time ago when I was tired from party or you playing your phone and then you fell asleep and then you wake up the next day. That's really bad to do. It could make your face getting old fast and wrinkle. And next, I'm going to shower. Okay, now I'm already finished shower, and the first thing I'm going to do is I have some pimple on my face, so I will put some pimple water I bought from pharmacy. When I got big pimple, I will put this on my pimples, just one drop. So I had a lot of pimples before when I was teenager, but now I'm still having it, so I don't really like to use so much cream on my face because I'm scared that I would get some pimples again. I was super unconfident that time and I didn't like myself at all. Now I will move on and I take care of myself more. And this cream I only use one cream only before I sleep. So this cream I use is yogurt sleeping mark. It makes my face so smooth. When I wake up, my face still smooth. I use this every day before sleep. I really like this brand. And now it's 9 p.m. I'm going to do some voiceover of my sim. My other channel that I have. I'm going to do some voiceover for my sim so I can edit it tomorrow. And I'm going to have the late night snack is some granola, and I'm going to watch a movie. I don't know what movie we're gonna watch today. Could be some Japanese anime movie or some alien movie.